Dinosaurs, just the name sparks excitement and wonder. They were magnificent creatures that ruled the Earth millions of years ago. Their world was different from ours, full of lush forests, vast deserts and giant oceans. Let's journey back in time and explore the incredible age of dinosaurs. Imagine a world without humans, a world where gigantic reptiles ruled. That was the Mesozoic era, the age of dinosaurs. It began about 252 million years ago and lasted for a staggering 186 million years. The Mesozoic era is divided into three periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Each period had its unique dinosaurs and other prehistoric animals. We learn about dinosaurs from fossils, the preserved remains of ancient life. These fossils are like puzzle pieces, giving us clues about these amazing creatures and their world. The first dinosaurs appeared during the Triassic period around 230 million years ago. They were not the giants we often imagine. These early dinosaurs were relatively small, some no bigger than a dog. One of the earliest known dinosaurs was Eoraptor. It was a small, agile predator that walked on two legs. Eoraptor lived in what is now South America. Another early dinosaur was Herrerasaurus. It was larger than Eoraptor and had powerful legs and sharp teeth. Herrerasaurus was also one of the first true hunters among dinosaurs. Over millions of years, dinosaurs evolved and diversified. They adapted to different environments and food sources, eventually becoming the dominant land animals on Earth. During the Jurassic period, dinosaurs truly became giants. The largest land animals to ever walk the Earth evolved during this time. These were the long-necked sauropods. One of the most famous sauropods was Brachiosaurus. It could grow up to 85 feet long and weigh as much as 80 tons. Brachiosaurus used its long neck to reach high into the trees to feed. Another giant sauropod was Diplodocus. It was even longer than Brachiosaurus, reaching lengths of over 100 feet. Diplodocus had a whip-like tail that it may have used for defense. These giant herbivores needed to eat constantly to fuel their massive bodies. They roamed the earth, stripping trees of their leaves and leaving behind enormous footprints. While sauropods ruled as gentle giants, fearsome predators evolved alongside them. The most famous of these were the theropods, a group of meat-eating dinosaurs. One of the most iconic theropods was Allosaurus. It was a fierce predator with powerful legs, sharp claws, and teeth like serrated knives. Allosaurus likely hunted large herbivores like Stegosaurus. Another fearsome predator was Ceratosaurus. It had a distinctive horn on its nose and two smaller horns above its eyes. Ceratosaurus was smaller than Allosaurus, but still a formidable hunter. These predators played a crucial role in the ecosystem, keeping populations of herbivores in check. Their fossils tell a tale of constant struggle for survival, of hunters and the hunted. Section 5. A world of difference. The world of dinosaurs was very different from ours. The continents were still moving towards their present positions and the climate was much warmer. There were no polar ice caps and lush forests covered much of the land. Dinosaurs lived in a variety of habitats, from dense jungles to open plains. Some dinosaurs even adapted to life in the water. For example, Spinosaurus, a giant predator with a sail on its back, lived in and around water, hunting fish and other aquatic animals. Another example is Baryonyx, a fish-eating dinosaur with a huge claw on its hand which it used to spear fish. The diversity of dinosaur species and their adaptations to different environments is a testament to their incredible success. Section 6. Flying high, the pterosaurs. While dinosaurs ruled the land, the skies belonged to another group of reptiles, the pterosaurs. These were not dinosaurs, but close relatives who evolved flight. Pterosaurs ranged in size from the tiny Nemicolopterus with a wingspan of just 10 inches to the gigantic Quetzalcoatlus with a wingspan of up to 36 feet. Pterosaurs had hollow bones and a membrane of skin stretched between their elongated fourth finger and their bodies, forming their wings. They were the first vertebrates to evolve powered flight. Some pterosaurs, like Pteranodon, soared over the oceans, catching fish with their long beaks. Others, like Rhamphorhynchus, had long tails and sharp teeth, likely hunting insects and small animals. Section 7. Swimming deep, the marine reptiles. The oceans of the Mesozoic era were also teeming with life, including a diverse array of marine reptiles. These were not dinosaurs, but they shared the world with them. One of the most formidable marine reptiles was Mosasaurus. It was a gigantic lizard with powerful jaws and flippers. Mosasaurus was a top predator, hunting fish, sharks, and even other marine reptiles. Another group of marine reptiles was the plesiosaurs. They had long necks and paddle-like limbs. Some plesiosaurs, like Elasmosaurus, had extremely long necks and likely hunted fish in deep water. Ichthyosaurs, another group of marine reptiles, resembled dolphins. They had streamlined bodies and powerful tails, making them fast and agile swimmers. Section 8. The Day the Earth Changed. The reign of the dinosaurs came to a dramatic end around 66 million years ago. A massive asteroid, estimated to be about 6 miles wide, slammed into Earth near the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The impact unleashed unimaginable devastation. It triggered massive earthquakes, tsunamis, and wildfires. Dust and debris filled the atmosphere, blocking out the sun and causing a global cooling effect. The environmental consequences of the impact were catastrophic. The impact and its aftermath wiped out an estimated 76% of all plant and animal species on Earth, including the dinosaurs. This event, known as the Chicxulub impact, marked the end of the Cretaceous period and the Mesozoic era. It paved the way for the rise of mammals and the world we know today. Section 9. Why dinosaurs matter. Dinosaurs may be extinct, but their story is far from over. Their fossils provide a unique window into Earth's past, revealing the incredible diversity of life that once thrived on our planet. By studying dinosaurs, we learn about evolution, adaptation, and the interconnectedness of life on Earth. We gain a deeper understanding of our planet's history and the forces that have shaped it. Moreover, dinosaurs continue to inspire our imagination and sense of wonder. They remind us of the incredible power of nature and the importance of protecting our planet and its biodiversity. So the next time you see a dinosaur skeleton in a museum or imagine these magnificent creatures roaming the Earth, remember their incredible story. It's a story of triumph, tragedy, and the enduring power of life.